What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, then welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I did these heart-shaped feet-in cornrows on myself. Let's get into this video. I used 2 individual bundles of the Zury Apple cider vinegar wash braiding hair in the color 1B. In the same brand, I also used 2 bundles of the color 613. I used a Pintail comb for parting, Murray's edge wax, castor oil, Lotta body foam mousse, a scarf, trimming scissors, pump it up super hold spritz, duck clips, and hair scrunchies. I decided to start by parting out the heart and also braiding it up first. This step did take me a little bit longer than parting out the rest of the braids, just trying to get the heart figure right. But I did it. I used 3 mirrors, had a mirror in front of me, a makeup mirror. I had to also use, the medicine cabinet to help, So the heart is parted out, and I'm gonna split the heart in half so that basically I'm working with 2 half heart sections to make a whole heart. So starting with this front section, I parted off a small section at the top at an angle like so, and this is where I'm gonna be starting my first braid. So I braid this section following the angle, and then when I get to the bottom section, I connect it by feeding in the hair from that bottom section to complete the half heart. Alright, so here is the completed heart. The second section did come out a little bit bigger than the first section, but I went ahead and left it as is, and I moved on to the next section. Majority of the braids will be going straight back, and I did part off a section in the front to do the lemonade effect. So after I complete these 2 braids on the side of my hair, I'm going to show you how I achieve that. Okay, so with this next braid, I tried to have a little fun with it. So basically what I did was I parted off these small sections, 2 very small sections that I'm going to be adding into the next cornrow. A few days later, I did go back in and fix this braid. It was just a little bit too big, and I also braided on top of the heart. So here's a clip after I fixed the braid of what it looks like. So this front section is where I'm going to be doing the lemonade effect. I'm going to be braiding the first few braids towards the front of my head, and the rest of my hair in this section will go straight down to the side. So now I'm on my last braid, and as you can see, the section in the back, those braids are going straight back, and then the section I had in the front, those braids are going to the side. So I'm gonna finish this last braid, and in the next clips you should be able to see how I feed in the 613 hair. So to get the highlight effect, I started off with using color 613 on the cornrow. And when I get to the nape of my neck, I added in about 3 or 4 pieces of the color 1B just to get the braid to the desired thickness. And then to keep the blonde flowing all the way down the braid, I added in just a few more pieces of the 613 hair. Alright, so now I am done, and to oil my scalp, I'm going to be using my Hollywood Beauty castor oil. I really like the applicator. Makes it a lot easier to apply the oil to my scalp. And next I'm going to be using my Lotta Body Foam Mousse to help lay down some of the flyaways, and it also gives my braids a really nice shine. So now I'm going to use my silk scarf to lay down those braids, and in the meantime I'm going to use my trimming scissors to clean up some of those ends that are poking out, just make the braids look a lot more cleaner. So I laid my edges down with the Murray's Edge Wax and also the Lotta Body Faux Mousse. Both of those two combined gave me 24-hour hold. So that's a really cool hack if you run out of edge control like me. I was trying to do a sideburn curl here, but I wasn't able to get it to lay down. So while doing that, I was able to get a really cute curl out of it, and that's how I left my edges. You know that feeling when you're done with your hair. But my last step, I'm going to spray my Pump It Up spritz all over, and that is it for this video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hit the post notification so that you're notified on my next upload, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.